How to buy SYMPSON by virtual token. So this token came under the symbol of SYMP. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screen. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. To go to your wallet, select the base as a network, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. Now after that, as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back. After that, search for your token. So after you find the token, as you can see, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC. After that, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Just click buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy SYMPSON by virtual token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.